BlackBerry Z10 2013, January. Display Type Capacitive touchscreen, 16mm colors. Camera primary 8MP, f/2.2, 31mm, autofocus, LED flash, check quality. Secondary 2MP, 720p at 30 fps. Internal 16GB, 2GB RAM. SIM microSIM. Body dimensions 130 by 65.6 by 9 mm. Weight 137.5 grams, 4.83 ounces. Build plastic body. Memory card slot microSD, up to 64 GB, dedicated slot. Network technology. GSM/CDMA/HSPA/LTE. Size 4.2 inches, 50.2 square centimeters, 58.9% screen to body ratio. Resolution 768 by 1280 pixels, 5:3 ratio, 355 p density. Multi-touch yes. Platform OS BlackBerry OS 10, upgradable to 10.3.1. Chipset Qualcomm MSM8960 Snapdragon S4 Plus. CPU dual-core 1.5 GHz Cry. GPU Adreno 225. Features geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama. Video 1080p at 30 fps, check quality. Sound alert types vibration, MP3, WAV ringtones. Loudspeaker yes. 3.5mm jack yes. Comms LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n, dual band, DLNA, hotspot. Bluetooth 4.0, A2DP, LA. GPS yes, with a GPS. NFC yes. Radio no. USB microSD 2.0. Features sensors accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Messaging SMS, MMS, email, push email, BBM6. Browser HTML5. HDMI port. BlackBerry Maps. Organizer. Document viewer. Photo viewer, editor. Video editor. MP3/WMA/WAV/EAC+/FLAC player. DivX/SVID MP4/WMV/H.264 player. Voice memo, dial. Predictive text input. Battery removable Li-ion 1800 mAh battery. Standby up to 312 hours. Talk time up to 10 hours. Miscellaneous colors black, white. SAR 1.07W, kg, head, 1.07W, kg, body. SAR EU 0.87W, kg, head, 0.99W, kg, body. Price about €120. Tests display contrast ratio, 1532, nominal, 2.051:1, sunlight. Camera photo, video. Loudspeaker voice 70 decibels, noise 67 decibels, ring 73 decibels. Audio quality noise -82.8 decibels, crosstalk -80.5 decibels. Battery life. Endurance rating 46 hours.